just woke up. It's Monday. It's like 7:30. I am going to try to have a productive day. My last day of work as a teacher before the break was Thursday. Honestly, since then, I've been super lazy, like not really doing much, sleeping a lot, just kind of hanging around. But today, I'm actually going to try to get some things done and be somewhat productive. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm gonna do is in my journal here, I need to update my budget. It's Monday, so all of those lovely pending charges over the weekend have gone through, so I'm gonna go through, and I like to do it, not like to, but I'm starting to do it on paper, because when I have to write down every single thing that I swipe my card for, it really makes me realize like where my money is going. I'm gonna do that as I listen to a podcast. Love listening to podcasts. On Mondays is a new episode of Crime Junkie.
Hi, Crime Junkies. I'm your host, Ashley Flowers.
And I'm
Have one. That's when she asks about a search, like where are the tracker dogs? Maybe we should think about airplanes. Do whatever they can to help find Damien. At this
Okay, I have been battling myself. It's really cold and rainy outside, but I'm training for a marathon and I need to get my run in, because this past week I have not really ran at all since I did a half marathon, 13.1 miles last Sunday. So I'm gonna go to the gym because it is cold outside, but I still need to get a workout in. In February, I'm doing a full marathon, which is 26.2 miles. That's in like 10 weeks. I really should be training a lot more, but better late than never. I have been in such a rut. Like a week ago, I felt on top of the world. I had just ran a half marathon. I was feeling super like motivated and empowered. Ever since then, I've been struggling. So I just drove all the way to the gym, just did 2 miles, pretty easy, and now I'm leaving. I thought about just stopping this vlog because it's really frustrating, but yeah, I've just been really lacking like motivation, inspiration to work out. It's just crazy how I just ran 13 miles a week ago. Now I struggle to do like 1 or 2. So motivation level is at a 0. Maybe I'll go to my apartment gym later tonight, but I'm about to head home and shower and get the rest of my day started. So now I'm actually gonna sit down, have my journal here, and I'm going to write out a list of things I want to do today. I know I need to buy groceries. I got the sudden urge to kind of rearrange my closet. I also ordered a nail kit that is supposed to be getting here in a couple of hours, so I'll probably do my nails and film a video. There's another video I wanted to film, so I'm just gonna write everything down to see what I need to accomplish on this Monday. Okay, so I'm going to the grocery store. I use this rolling cart to bring up groceries. I have been meaning to get rid of this rug, so I'm going to throw that in the cart, roll it down, go put it in the dumpster, and then head over to the grocery store. Okay, finally back from getting groceries. I don't know if I'm the only one who's like this, but I like to go to different stores for different things. So went to Target and I also went to Walmart. I got a cork board. The one that I bought over here is kind of janky, so I'm gonna put all of my running medals and bibs on that one. I'm gonna put all these groceries away. I guess I'll show you guys what I got once I take everything out. Usually I will get everything from Walmart except for produce. I'll get from either Target or from Kroger. Okay, quick overview. Twizzlers, I have a sweet tooth, coffee creamer, corn tortillas, some whipped cream, couple of different salad dressings, grapes, liquid IV. I want to try these before a long run. Potatoes, red onion, cucumbers, veggie nuggets. These are the best. Decaf coffee. I'm trying to drink less or just consume less caffeine. Just soap. I got some ketchup and Polynesian sauce for my veggie nuggets. Allergy medicine, I just get the generic version. Cleaning things, I got gloves and some more sponges. Again, sweet tooth, so I got some brownie mix. Powdered Gatorade, my favorite flavor is the lemon lime. More veggie nuggets, oatmeal, coconut milk, bananas, blueberries. Again, sweet tooth, dark chocolate. These Chobani flips, I love them. My favorite flavor is the key lime pie, but they were out, so I got s'mores. Best mac and cheese ever. It's Daiya dairy free, so I got a couple of these. Some chickpea pasta, pasta sauce, celery, asparagus, that's gonna be for dinner. Cilantro, big bag of chopped kale. Frozen pizza, I know it's not healthy, but just in case I need something to eat one day. This is California pizza margarita, cheese, croutons, more salad dressing, some strawberry jelly, eggs. Then I also got some more tissue and some more bottled water. I always save all of the bags to use as trash cans for my small trash can in the bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these away. Okay, I'm gonna do my budget now and add what I just spent at the grocery store. I try to come back and update every time I swipe my card because I am doing it on paper and it's not an instant digital thing. So I'm going to go through and add that. I just started doing this method like last week. It is hard to budget because I only get paid once a month as a teacher and once a month from YouTube. So I am trying to get better with my money. Okay, so here's the finished cork board. These are all the races that I did in 2021 in order from the first race that I ever did all the way to the most recent, which is the marathon. And the medals are also hung in order from the first to the most recent. I might paint this later, but for now I am eventually going to mount it. I might just lean it against the desk, but super cute. I want to make a new one each year. So 2022, I will start a new cork board for all of the races that I do next year. I did just take a little nap because I was tired. It's like 4 o'clock. The sun is going to set soon, and I like to film videos in front of natural light in front of the window. So I'm actually going to do my nails because I just got my Amazon packages that have nail stuff. And then tomorrow I will film my Amazon favorites because probably some of these nail products will be in them. And I also just went and checked my mail. And my old apartment, so I just moved in here like a month ago, they billed me for damages, and they're actually due in like a day or two. $206. I think it's ridiculous. I'm not even, oh, my battery's gonna die. But yeah, they sent me a bill. Let me open up my Amazon packages and maybe before my camera dies. Okay, so I got a Beatles like nail extension kit, which I'm super excited about. And then I got a like long nail clipper, one of these things that they use at the salon. And I've bought this and thrown it away so many times. I got this electric e-file from Amazon. So I'm gonna do my nails. I'll show you guys how they turn out because right now they are looking busted. Okay, so I have my whole like nail setup here in the living room. Okay, let me open up this Beatles nail kit. I'm super excited. This was only $13 on Amazon. It was on sale. I think normally it was like $30, but it's supposed to be a dupe for this bougie nail extension like soft gel kit. This was $120 from a Prez. This was $13. So let me see if this is actually a good dupe, because those Prez ones honestly were kind of difficult to put on, and lots of times they would end up just falling off. Let me see. I'm opening it backwards. Okay, so you get, I believe, 500 nail extensions. These are coffin shape. I prefer almond, but all they had was coffin, so I might try it out or just shape it into almond. And then in here, they give you this little mini like single finger lamp and then the nail glue that you cure to put it on. So I'll show you guys bits and pieces, but I'm gonna do my nails. I'll show you guys how they turn out. Okay, now let me try. This only has one step. You just apply the nail glue straight to the nail, then put it on. So let's see if it's as easy as it sounds. My other kit had like 4 different steps to do. Okay, that was not enough. It needs to fill up my entire natural nail. So I need a little bit more. I should have faced this thing the other way. Oh my gosh! Okay, this is what it looks like. That was kind of a struggle. I have bubbles in it, so I'm gonna try to do better on the other ones. Let me do that, then I'll come back and show you guys. But yeah, you're supposed to press out the bubbles. So this one does have like a little bubble in the middle. Okay, I finished this hand. It wasn't too bad, but some of them are kind of crooked. This middle finger, I have to take that off and redo that because that one is too crooked to work with. The pinky is also pretty crooked. I don't know why I struggle to put them on straight. They're also really long, so I'm definitely going to cut them and trim them down a bit. But yeah, I have to redo the middle finger because that one is just way too crooked. Okay, these are the nails. I did a pretty good job. I messed up a little bit on the pinky. This is what they look like. They are cute. They're a little bit thick. I put a lot of gel polish on. I'm honestly tired. Won't focus. Tired of doing my nails, so I'm gonna take a break, maybe do the other hand tomorrow, but this is the finished product. Okay, so I went ahead and put the Aprez, the Gel X, like almond ones on my right hand. This hand, it's kind of wonky. I'm gonna redo these tomorrow. I've been working on my nails for way too long. So yeah, I went ahead and just put these ones on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I'm just gonna make dinner and kind of relax and chill tonight. I might get to redoing my closet later tonight. If not, then tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye y'all.